Alright, how's it going, everyone? So, pretty easy repair. These covers, they have a string which hooks up to about right here, right? And that tends to break, so you can see on my original one, the little piece, the little rubber piece broke off. So the part number you're going to want to order is, if you go through the dealership, it's 1K6 863 447A 9 Bravo 9. So again, that's that number right here. So special ordered it from the dealership, and now I'm going to install it. Now it should be a pretty easy install, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that here in a moment. But it's literally just running the wire or the little new string through the hole and connecting it where it needs to go. So we're gonna do that right now, and I'll take you along with the install. A couple minute video, super easy to do. All right, so the hole for it's right here. It's just a pull through, so not too difficult to do. And these go for like 25 bucks at the dealership. I'm sure they have them online for cheaper, but you know, it is what it is. So the hole's apparently not big enough. Actually, I disconnect this side. And that should make it fit. Almost. Let's zoom in the camera here so I can show you guys what I'm doing. Right there, and excuse the trunk, it's a bit messy. There we go, and she's through. Now all you gotta do, let's zoom up here, is connected to this. Excuse me. In 2020, if you sneeze, it's COVID. So there's that. Alright, so pretty easy installing that. As you guys can see though, I did have to punch a hole right here where it comes out. Had to make the hole a little bit bigger to fit this little piece through right here. But beyond that, pretty easy to install though. This is an aftermarket one, so that's probably why I had to do that. Probably don't have to do that in the OEM ones. You can see aftermarket string versus this one. This one's a lot tighter. But the part number right here, 1K6 863 447A9B9. So pretty easy. They're like 25 bucks, but if you have the issue where this thing rips or this piece breaks, Pretty straightforward to fix. 25 bucks, not too bad. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, guys. Again, pretty easy install, so like, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I just realized I'm standing in the sun, so that was probably blurry. But again, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Next on the list for the MK6, I'm probably going to do a little bit more maintenance on her, and then I'm looking at potentially doing an exhaust. I'm not going to get an obnoxious one, just something nice, and then we're going to work our way up to tuning. But once I get a garage, guys, you can bet the mods are going to start, because apartment complex plus mods, working on the car, not great. Doing basic stuff like that, it's okay. So again, like, share, subscribe, do all that, and I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.